Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Millennial Money. So my name's Lauren and I work for an online personal finance company called Money to the Masses. Now we aim to help everybody with their finances for free. So make sure you go and check us out on our website, moneytothemasses.com, and go and follow us over on our social media. So our Facebook, Money to the Masses, our Instagram at Money to the Masses, and our Twitter at Money to the Masses with the number 2. And if you like our videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. So this week I'm going to be sharing 5 simple steps to create a financial plan. Now, creating a financial plan will help you to identify and hopefully achieve your financial goals. So step number 1 is to write down any goals that you want to achieve in your lifetime. So short, medium and long-term goals. A short goal, for example, could be going on holiday. A medium goal could be, for example, buying a house, saving a deposit to purchase a home, and a long-term goal could be saving a certain amount for when you retire. Now, if you write all these goals down, then you have something to visualise and something to work towards if you want to achieve. Now, there's no definitive list of how many goals you can put down, and you can add to these goals and tick them off when you achieve them. Now, step number 2 is to work out any assets and debt that you have. So any assets you may have could be any investments that you have. Do you have a stocks and shares ISA, for example? Do you have a pension? Write down how much you've got in your assets and what your assets are. Also, write down any debt that you have. Do you have any credit card debt, any loan debt, and do you have a mortgage? When writing down your debt, write down what debt you have and how much you have with each debt. Now, step number 3 is take a look at your finances. Where are your finances now? How do your finances shape up? And how close are you to achieving your goals? Now, if this step seems quite daunting, then you could take Damien's Money MOT. Now, Damien's Money MOT is a financial wellbeing tool that was created by Damien Fay, founder of Money to the Masses. Now, what this tool does, by answering a few simple multiple choice questions, the Money MOT will analyse your finances and identify areas of your finances that may need improving. After you've completed the Money MOT, you will receive a breakdown of your finances and you'll be given a grade. So this grade will score your finances, and each section of your finances will be broken down and you'll be given a sub-score. So you'll be scored out of 3 stars. The less stars you have in this area, the more work that you may need in that particular area of your finances. Now, you also have the option to sign up to Damien's free action plan. And by doing so, you can sign up to emails and you can receive help from Damien regarding your personal finances. Now, Damien's Money MOT is the only financial wellbeing tool out there that is directed to you and your personal finances. It is not generic, it is based on the questions that you answer, so that all of the help that you get at the end is relevant to you and your current financial situation. So that is a great way for you to quickly see how your finances shape up and to get you started with your financial plan. Now, step number 4 is to identify the steps that you need to take in order to achieve your goals. So if one of your goals is to clear an amount off of your credit card or to clear your credit card debt, do you need to make a balance transfer in order to achieve that goal? Also, if you potentially have a goal to save for a deposit for a house, do you need to open up a savings account or an ISA, such as a lifetime ISA, to help you to achieve your goal? Now, finally, step number 5 is to implement your plan. Start straight away, start immediately to try and achieve your goals, and regularly check to see how you're doing and how close you are to achieving your goals, because the closer you get and as soon as you start ticking off your goals, the better you will feel about your finances and the more motivated you will feel to achieving your other goals. So that's it for this week's Millennial Money video. If you have any questions, email me, Lauren at moneytothemasses.com. Thanks so much for watching.